One sip of royal gold juice, and you'll know why we call it royal gold juice. It's beauty, strength, and health, all in one glass. With the deep purple power of cabbage and the golden sweetness of pineapple, this juice is more than just a pretty color. It's a nutrient-packed elixir for your skin, digestion, and immune system. Purple cabbage is rich in antioxidants and gut-healing compounds, while pineapple brings in enzymes that boost metabolism and fight inflammation. Together, they create a vibrant detox juice that tastes as refreshing as it is energizing. And don't throw away that leftover juice pulp. We'll turn it into flavorful veggie patties, zero waste, maximum nutrition. Let's get started on this glowing glass of royal gold. First up, the star of our juice, vibrant purple cabbage. Slice it into chunky pieces that fit your juicer or blender, and just look at that color. It's like nature's magic in every leaf. But this isn't just pretty. Purple cabbage is a powerhouse. This veggie is your best friend. Unlike green cabbage, purple cabbage has a slightly sweeter, peppery taste, perfect for balancing out pineapple's tropical tang. Next, we move on to the golden jewel of our juice, fresh, juicy pineapple. Slice it into chunks and get ready for a burst of tropical sweetness. When blended with purple cabbage, pineapple brings balance, mellowing the sharp flavor and creating a juice that's refreshing, healing, and energizing. This golden fruit truly earns its crown in our royal gold blend. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to blend. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Here's a quick tip for blending. Always add the pineapple first, and then cabbage. They're full of water and will help your blender run smoothly. A piece of ginger. Add about half a cup of water to help it blend smoothly. Blend until everything turns into a rich, colorful juice. And once that's done, go ahead and strain the juice using a fine strainer or a nut milk bag if you have one. And don't throw away that leftover pulp. It's full of fiber and flavor. We're going to use it soon. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon to enhance the flavor and to help with nutrient absorption. And there you go. Your power-packed royal gold juice is ready. This is an excellent post-workout drink. Whether it's after yoga, walking, or a home workout, this juice helps restore energy and replenish nutrients. It's also kid-friendly and loved by adults alike. Important tip: avoid adding salt or sugar. They strip away the natural nutrition. Now here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp the whole glass down in one go. Instead, swish each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This allows it to mix with saliva, helping with smoother digestion. When we gulp it all at once, our body absorbs much less from it. Your refreshing royal gold juice is now ready to enjoy. Fresh, vibrant, and full of life. With just 2 ingredients, you've created a detox powerhouse that supports your gut, boosts your energy, and leaves your skin glowing. Drink it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, or sip it midday for a clean, natural recharge. It's light, it's nourishing, and it's absolutely delicious. Now let's use the leftover juice pulp to make nutritious patties. Start by adding your leftover purple cabbage pulp to a food processor. Now load it up with flavor: boiled chickpeas, shredded cheese, oats, ginger, garlic, sautéed onions, and your favorite spices. Just a splash of oil, and blend it all into a thick, colorful mixture. Shape the mixture into patties, coat them in breadcrumbs for that golden crunch, and pan fry on a non-stick skillet until crisp on both sides. And there you have it, vibrant, protein-packed cabbage patties that are healthy, filling, and zero waste. Serve them with chutney, inside a wrap, or enjoy as a snack. Try this juice for 5 days and feel the difference in your body, skin, and energy levels. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more vibrant, healing recipes your body will thank you.